If you've added products to your Shopify store, but they aren't appearing in collections or showing up in search results, don't worry. This is a common issue that many new Shopify store owners encounter. In most cases, the problem is caused by product availability settings, collection conditions, or search indexing delays. The good news is that these issues are usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix products that are not appearing in collections or search in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Products from the menu on the left. Open one of the products that isn't appearing correctly. The first thing you should check is the product status. On the right-hand side of the product page, make sure the status is set to active. If the product is still marked as draft, customers won't be able to see it on your online store or in search results. If necessary, change the status to active and click Save. Next, check product availability. Still on the product page, look for the Publishing or Sales Channels section. Make sure that Online Store is selected. If the product isn't available on the Online Store sales channel, it won't appear on your website, collections, or storefront search. If the Online Store channel isn't checked, click Manage, enable it, and save your changes. If the product is missing from a specific collection, open the Collections section by clicking Products and then Collections. Select the collection where the product should appear. If it's a manual collection, you must add products individually. Scroll down to the Products section and confirm that the missing product has been added. If not, click Browse, select the product, and save the collection. If you're using an automated collection, carefully review the collection conditions. Automated collections include products only when they match specific rules. For example, the collection may require products to have a certain tag, product type, vendor, or price range. Open the product and verify that it meets all the required conditions. Even a small difference, such as a missing tag or incorrect product type, can prevent the product from appearing. Another important thing to remember is that Shopify search results are not always updated instantly. After adding or editing products, it may take a short period for Shopify to index the changes. If you've recently created the product, wait a few minutes and test the search again. You should also verify that the product title, description, and tags contain relevant keywords. Shopify Search uses product information to determine search results. If customers search for a keyword that doesn't exist in the product title, description, tags, or other searchable fields, the product may not appear as expected. Browser cache can sometimes make it seem like products are missing even when everything is configured correctly. Refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or open your storefront in an incognito window to ensure you're viewing the latest version of the site. If you're using third-party search or collection apps, temporarily disable them and test the store again. Some apps can interfere with Shopify's native search and collection functionality. Finally, if none of these steps work, duplicate the product, save the duplicate, and test whether the new product appears correctly. Occasionally, recreating a product can resolve unusual indexing issues. To quickly summarize, make sure the product status is active, confirm that the online store sales channel is enabled, check collection settings and conditions, allow time for search indexing, review keywords and tags, clear your browser cache, and test for app conflicts. I hope this tutorial helped you fix products not appearing in collections or search in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.